Alright guys, day 98, just giving you an update on what's going on with everybody, and I got a neat little toy that I'm playing with. So we took 2 peppers out on the weekend. As you can see, there's 1, 2, at least 3 in there. I'm sure there's more growing. Some of these guys have started, I think, in terms of some peppers popping up. There's still a ton of flowers on there, so we will wait and see. Over here, this small guy is still popping out flowers. Haven't seen any peppers on it yet. We've got 1 on this guy and a few more that have come up, so peppers are coming along nicely. And I think there's a couple that have started in here. I just haven't really got in there and looked too hard. So, as usual, Swiss chard's growing back like it always does, and then the mint is filling back in on the area that we took a big chunk out of. So, all in all, things are going well. Fish are doing good. They're just hanging out. What I wanted to show you though is over here. This is, it's called a kilowatt power bar. I'm sure you can see that. Basically, what it's doing is it's recording how much power I'm drawing. So right now, the whole system, light in total, is pulling 162 watts. There's also, you can see that there has been basically 2 days and 9 hours that I've had this plugged in, and over that time there's been about 10.9 kilowatt hours used. So based on this, I'm figuring out exactly how much this is costing me in terms of power. So at, let's say, 12 kilowatt hours over 3 days, that's about 4 kilowatt hours a day. Power bill shows right now about 8.9 cents per kilowatt hour, and that basically translates into less than about 35 cents a day. So 35 cents a day over 30 days or a month, about $10 a month. So I'll post a bunch of these stuff here, and obviously I'm recording it. So the goal will be to get a real good handle on my power costs. The very interesting thing with this, so it's showing 162 watts right now. The heater that I've got in there to keep the fish warm, those are tilapia, so I'm keeping them about 72 degrees Celsius, or sorry, 72 degrees Fahrenheit, a little over, I think it's 21 degrees Celsius. And as a result, when the heater kicks in, I'm not totally sure the frequency it kicks in, but when it does, it jumps to about 230 watts, and so that's why tracking the total is just going to, take that and average it per day, and I'll know what I'm doing per day. So that's to run the light. That's a 240 watt LED grow light. It's only pulling 80 watts when I isolated things, and then we've got the pump to lift the water. That's not pulling very much. I've got the air, so you can see right here, I'm pumping the air, and the heater. So basically those 4 components. The light is on a timer, and it's on for 16 hours, so there's about 8 hours a day that the light's not running, which saves on power as well. So running at 16 hours, I'm sure I could dial this back a little bit to maybe 14 if costs were a major imposition, but 2 hours a day might save me $1 a month, and I strongly feel that I'm getting more produce out of this than to justify it. So just wanted to give you an update on that. I'll keep you posted on what the average power is over the next maybe 3 months, and based on that you can basically see if these economics work. The only thing not factored into this is heating the area. Basically this is in the basement of a house, so I'm heating the space anyways, so I haven't factored those costs in, and I'm sure there's a way to do that. I haven't just put any thought to it yet. So, alright, thanks.